Writing code with standard large language models requires constant manual data transfer. You move from your IDE to a browser, pasting logs, file structures, and diffs into a stateless chat window. Eventually, the project size exceeds the available context window. You paste in one too many stack traces, and the system collapses under its own weight, losing its grasp on early instructions and project architecture. Claude Code changes this workflow. It removes the browser entirely, operating as a stateful, environmental-aware execution layer that lives directly inside your terminal. This architecture scales directly from a single autonomous loop into a modular, multi-agent orchestration engine. The model tethers directly to your local file system, executes terminal commands, and connects to external services using MCP. MCP is the Model Context Protocol, an open standard that allows AI models to securely access external data sources and tools. Overcoming the traditional LLM bottleneck requires mastering precise context isolation and managing parallel compute environments. At the core is the agentic loop: gather, act, and verify. If a test fails, it gathers context from the stack trace and source files. It then acts to execute edits and verifies by rerunning tests until they pass. Different models plug into this loop depending on the workload. You route Claude Opus 4.6 for complex architectural reasoning, or swap to Claude Sonnet 4.6 for rapid loop execution. You control this loop through specific safety boundaries. Default mode asks for permission. Auto accept allows fluid edits, and plan mode restricts to read-only. Before making any file changes, the system creates a local checkpoint. This allows you to trigger an instant state rewind if an edit fails, decoupling the agent's actions from your standard Git commit history. This loop runs across multiple execution environments. It operates directly in your local terminal, offloads tasks to Anthropic managed cloud VMs, or uses Cowork VM isolation for secure knowledge work. A single autonomous loop is highly effective. However, scaling this single loop to manage massive repository-wide changes leads to token bloat. In long-running sessions, every terminal output and file read consumes the context window. As the context fills, automated compaction clears out older outputs to save space, inadvertently destroying your early instructions. To solve this, we use the skill.md framework. Skills act as on-demand, modular context payloads that load only when necessary, keeping the global session clean. The YAML front matter block gives you exact control over these payloads. Disabling model invocation here prevents the agent from autonomously triggering heavy deployment scripts without your explicit command. The most effective mechanism for managing context limits is dynamic context injection. By using an exclamation point syntax in the skill file, bash scripts execute as a pre-processing step. The LLM never reads the raw command logic, only the resulting data payload. This limits total token count by keeping execution scripts out of the active window. This same pre-processing logic applies to enterprise Cowork environments. Google Drive cataloging uses retrieval augmented generation to search your external documents and inject only the semantically relevant vectors. Retrieval augmented generation pulls specific, relevant information from an external database to ground the model's responses in accurate facts. These tools shield the primary token budget. They allow the agent to process massive amounts of external data while preserving its original foundational directives. Even with efficient context management, loading a massive dependency like a complete API specification directly into the primary execution loop risks the session's memory limit. The architectural solution is spawning subagents through context forking. The subagent takes the heavy exploration workload, processes tokens within its isolated environment, and passes a synthesized text summary back to the main trunk. The temporary fork then dissolves, keeping the main session lean. You trigger this mechanism technically by setting the context fork parameter directly inside a skill's YAML front matter. As a concrete example, the bundled simplify skill uses this exact architecture to automatically spawn 3 parallel review nodes. These subagents utilize strictly read-only tools, allowing them to explore the codebase securely without the risk of making unapproved edits. Subagents effectively solve context pollution for discrete, focused tasks. However, their strict isolation means they cannot communicate, making them insufficient for coordinating complex repository-wide changes. To orchestrate repository-wide changes, we move to horizontal scaling using agent teams. In this architecture, one lead session spawns multiple independent Claude instances. Each of these teammates operates with an entirely isolated context window. The team coordinates autonomously through a shared task list. When a teammate claims a piece of work, it uses local file locking to prevent race conditions and ensure efforts do not overlap. Information moves across the team using broadcast and direct messaging protocols, allowing agents to share findings. In a competing hypotheses debugging workflow, you set up the team to investigate a single bug, but give each teammate a different theory to prove. Assigning adversarial prompts to parallel teammates eliminates anchoring bias. They actively challenge each other's assumptions until the true root cause survives the debate. Running an agent team scales your token costs linearly, but this architectural trade-off is necessary to achieve true parallel exploration and to implement isolated cross-layer changes. Claude Code rips the large language model out of the browser and embeds it into the structural fabric of your local file system and terminal, facilitating parallel operations at a scale previously restricted by browser interfaces. You have a foundational agentic loop, protected by modular skills injection, scaling dynamically to distributed agent teams. This layered system allows developers to execute coordinated, repository-wide refactors that exceed the physical memory limits of any single context window. The programmatic orchestration of parallel intelligence replaces the simple generation of localized code.